welcome back to my channel. I am not looking the best right now, so you guys will see my face. Anyways, today is my room tour, and yeah, I guess that's all. So let's get right into the video. So when you first walk into my room, you don't see the door, but when you first walk in, you see right here. So over here is just this set of stuff. My room is not finished, but I just wanted to like bring you guys this video because it needed to be done. Yeah. So I painted my room a couple weeks ago. The room is not finished, of course, but these are everything in my room, and I will show you guys how my room looks before, probably before I do this part, but whatever. But yeah, this is my room. It isn't a full room tour, but I can get to that just wait. Just wait. Okay. So, over here, I got my school bag and a teddy bear and a chair, a random chair. Then we have this spinny computer chair and what not. I'm not using these curtains in my room. These are just temporary because I have to get curtains. I actually want some white curtains for my room. Then over here we have whatever's on the floor, a towel. Then my mirror, I got this from Carter's for $17, I think. Then we have this, just some decoration that I put. I want more decoration actually because I want some candles in here because emoji. So yeah, why not? Then we have this little poof over here. I have to get some piece to go over it because this color is not going with my room. I actually have to find some nails to put this up. Then we have my shoes underneath here. I do not have that much shoes. Then over here we have my thing that I got from school, whatever it's called. Got my stuff over here that I use. Not I drink it sometimes. The window, my 2 jackets, my fan. And over here we have my chest of drawers. And then in here, my TV and everything else goes, but my TV is not in here right now because my little sister is using it. Then up here we have stuff, a bag and whatever. Then over here we have my bed that I made. Yes, I made my bed. This is a bed sheet that I got from the coolie man because the coolie man is a plug, you know what I'm saying? Then I got this mirror over here that I love. So you can see everything and whatever. Like that. Then I got this clock from Woolworth. My suitcase, my garbage can, my broom. I don't know why the cord is there, but yeah. And my slippers. I do not like pink. I just want you guys to know that. But anyways, I still have to get more stuff for my room. So this is just a little sneak peek, quote unquote, sneak peek of how my room is going to look. I'm doing white curtains and I just want like a pink, white, that kind of thing. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of my room because I was really excited to do this one because I really wanted my room to be I really wanted my room done over. So yeah, the camera just literally cut me out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.